Hi, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to go over the YieldMax dividends for July 2024. From what I've seen, it's been a mixed bag so far. They declared this at about 7 a.m., so I'm a little behind the curve on it, but better late than never, as they say. So I'm going to go to Yahoo Finance, a fan favorite. I've actually got an article up this time instead of just the table of it. And we'll do some comparison to what it was last month. So for starters, TSLY was a dollar, which was kind of surprising to me because TSLY has had the most NAV erosion of all of them. So the distribution rate, they can tout 71% distribution rate again. Of course, the X date is the 5th, and these are going to be paid out. This is in the best table, but these are going to be paid out next week. OARK is 25 cents, which is 27%. And they're not in any particular order, really. It might be by volume or by Actually, I think it's by age of the fund. That's the order that it is. No, I'm sorry, because OARK was before TSLY. Appley and Nvidia came out around the same time. So NVDY was phenomenal again, 101.58%, $2.47. AMZ dropped a little bit. So I know there are some folks that are very upset about that. They dropped from their dollar. So that could affect certain payoff tables, as it were, for borrowed money and margin, things like that. For FBY, we've got 70 cents, which is pretty solid, 43%. And we've got to remember, a lot of us are spoiled now with all these high yield dividends. 40% a couple years ago was unheard of. So 40% annualized for AMZY, that was unheard of a couple years ago. Same with 43%, even 26 or 25% up here. These payouts were unheard of, even 20%. The highest I saw was like maybe 12%. I want to say either a JEPI or a JEPQ or even QYLD, maybe 14%. QYLD was like all the rage 2 years ago at 14%. But anyway, and then GUI, 30%. 46.7, 47 cents roughly. NFLY 37 cents. CONY $1.57. That's phenomenal. 90%. MSFO 21%. DISO 25%. So 38 cents for MSFO, 36 cents for DISO. XOMO was 19 cents, which is 13%. That's more in line with like a QYLD. JPMO 13%. I'm surprised, as well as the stock is doing, that this one doesn't pay higher, actually. AMDY 50.69, 73 cents. PP 43 cents, which is 32%. SQY 42.8%. MRNY is 38% or 49 cents. AIYY is about 40 cents, which is 41%. MSTY, phenomenal again, 101.6%, $2.33. YBIT, also phenomenal, $1.22, almost 84%. Crash is doing anything but crashing. Of course, it's an inverse fund, so it should go up as Tesla goes down. But what's impressive is how high the dividend is, because Tesla's been rallying, actually. So we'll look at that as well. We'll look at a handful of these and just review how the underlyings did over the past month or so. GDXY, the gold miners, won 50%. Andre will like this one, 50% payout, 79 cents. SNOY, 93 cents. We don't quite have a percentage on this one yet. This one paid out kind of fast, actually. So 93.31 times 12, that would be 1119. Let me look at something real quick here. SNOY. So SNOY is 2169. So I'm surprised they didn't give us a percentage here, because the percentage would actually be the dividend divided by 2169. It's 51.6%. Oh, what do we have here? IVOL. How about this one? Concerned about inflation? Look into IVOL, the quadratic interest rate volatility and inflation hedge. Interesting. Might have to check this one out really quick. IVOL. Quadratic. Haven't heard that word since high school algebra. 18.6, $18.60. Sorry. How long has this one been around? Let's see here. Hold on a second. Come on. Where's my phone? We check comments real quick here. We got Richard King. We got Vitatus G. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, let's look at this one really quick over here. Okay, it wants to freeze up on me. So we'll go back. We'll look at this one another time. Let's back up here for a second. So SNOY is about 52% payout. Airbnb has not paid out yet. So that is that. Let's go look at TSLY really quick here. So we've got, let me just to review our top ones. We had some phenomenal ones, some huge ones. TSLY 71% again. NVIDIA is over 101%. And then let's see, there was another one down here. MSTY is over 101% as well. And then we had Ybit, which was over 83%. So we had some really phenomenal ones. Okay, let's look at Tesla stock. So Tesla is, wow, Tesla's coming back. How about this? This is incredible. Tesla's on quite a rally. Let's see. So in the past week, where were we? We were at like 203 a week ago. We've come all the way up to 246. That's incredible. So where are we for the year? At the end of last year, beginning of this year. So we are officially flat for the year. The real buy point was here when we got to like 142. So we've rallied $100 from here. So April, that would have been the time to buy Tesla stock. So because of that, let's look at TSLY, one of our favorites. I'll be amazed if this comes back. I'll be amazed. I'll say don't call it a comeback. It's been there for years. Okay, so we have come back a bit in the past 5 days here. We've come from 1601 to 1772, which is funny because this is where we were like a year ago before the split ever happened. But I'm not complaining. Since April, we've come up 13, 14, 15, we've come up $5 a share. So that's cool. Let's look at what other ones do we have here. Hold on a second. I'm going to check a few of them over here. So TSLY is coming back up. We're on an upswing for sure. Let's look at how MSTR has been doing. MSTR is 1302. See, we peaked here. This stock was just on fire. That's what a lot of these unpredictable tech stocks do. This one came all the way back to like 1700 and something. Let's look at Coinbase. Coinbase is up to 224, which is down from the peak. We were at like 280. So that is that. Well, our real peak was November 2021. So our second peak since November 21 was 255. So there's that. The market today, let's see, how did we do? We had like a half a day trading. We've got a Yahoo article about how Trump is pushing interest rates up and he's not even president. That's kind of crazy. S&P 500 was up 28 points today. NASDAQ was up 160. The Russell 2000 remains above 2000. Crude oil is coming up and gold is rallying. The Dow was down slightly. All good for half a day's trading. Okay, let's do this now. Let's do a little comparison here. So a year ago, let's see here. By the way, I have a wireless keyboard down here, in case anyone wondered. So that's what I use to type. Okay, so let's look at, what did I say a year ago? No, I meant last month. So let's look at the June. Hold on a second, June 2024 YieldMax. I know it's on their Twitter page. There's so many. Oh, somebody covered it live. That's funny. Let's see here. I know it's in the Discord, but I don't feel like going all the way back to it. I should just save these images and leave them where they are. We've had some fun drama in the Discord and on YouTube, of course. Let's see here. Let me do a quick search here. if we go all the way back here, let's go all the way back over here. Oh, this person comments a lot. The person that usually posts them in here comments a lot on here. Let's see something here. Okay, let's give me a second here. I've almost got it. Okay, just going back in my chat history here. Okay, here we go. Here we go. This is what we had for June. Let me open this one up. Okay, sorry about that, folks, but here we go. Money Coach. I've been told I should name myself that, but I don't know how well that would SEO. By the way, I agree with one thing that our friend said. The ad revenue does suck on here. So anybody that says that somebody's doing this for the money is wrong. Of course, some people say so much you can't really keep up with, you know. Some people do so much talking that their statements start to conflict each other. All right, for June, so we were up in TSLY, OARK, we were down aptly. We've stayed the most consistent in NVDY, and we had a rebound actually in no MSTY stayed about the same. So these are phenomenal. I mean, getting $2 or $3 a month dividends is incredible. What was I just want to check AMSI. So AMSI was staying at like 95 cents. It's down to 70. What do we say? 70 cents. Um, I'm not in it anyway, so I couldn't care less actually. But it dropped. So I know some people are disappointed about that. Show me the money. Yeah, I showed you all my what could be annual dividend income. I'll keep doing that more regularly, by the way. So anyway, that's going to sum up the dividend review today. Thank you all for tuning in. Like, comment, and subscribe, and join Discord. And we will see you all in the next one. Take care. Have a good day. And we will hopefully do another one today. We got the 4th of July tomorrow. Might have some more downtime to do videos. So I'll see you all soon. Thanks. Bye.